Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since I've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Hey people, I'm back with another one of my videos. I thought I was going to sing for you, and why I sang for you is because all of you are so special for me. Every friend that I have in my life, and all those friends who have still not met, you people are also special. So I thought I was going to make this little video a little exciting by starting off with a song. Alright, like I always tell you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do like and share my video because it helps in the algorithm. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you are updated every time I put up a video. Alright, so why did I sing this song? I'm not a perfect singer. I'm not a singer at all. I write, I compose poetry. I wish I could have sung with all my heart, but then why I did sing a song is, even though my voice is not perfect, is because I don't want my young friends out there to wait for perfection. Don't wait for the perfect moment to write your book. Don't wait for the perfect moment to sing your song. Don't wait for the perfect moment to do the perfect dance. There is no perfection, and then there is so much beauty in imperfection. You know, when you do something imperfectly, it doesn't matter, because you know you have done it creatively. You know you have done it with all your love and passion and all your creativity. So just do it. This last class that I did with my BSc second year students, I told them one thing. I said, don't wait for that moment, because as soon as you have a dream, as soon as you have something inside your head, pen it down and make sure you go and actually implement it. Because in my concept called I'm the Best is, you dream, you implement it, and you transform. You transform into that person who is a creative person, who has created. I have never waited for that perfect moment when I'm going to write the perfect poem. Whenever any word comes to my head, I just put it down on paper and I make sure I compose something out of it. I do not wait for the perfect moment, because during my class, I remember this young girl I met, and she was somebody who is into writing. So I encouraged her. She's into her second book, so I encouraged her to go publish it. And then, seeing this encouragement, seeing this whole inspiration that I was doing to this young girl, there was another girl who said, I want to start writing as well. Can you help me? Can you give me information? And I said, of course, go ahead. And here she is, every day she's writing into me, and she's telling me, please tell me the date of so and so. When did it start? Please tell me about this person. Can you get me in touch with so and so? And so her creative thing has already started. So don't wait for that moment. I'm talking to my young people. I know all my friends have already done this. They are already on their journey towards achievement, towards excellence, towards success. But I'm talking about the young people who need a lot of guidance, because my life is dedicated to you. And so whenever I keep encouraging you, please take this encouragement as something, as a message from a person who is very passionate about all of you, and who wants only the best for you, and who wants to see you as leaders, and who wants to see see you as a person who's very successful and a person who's going to sit there and clap for you and applaud for you when you are going to take the award from a very renowned person for your book, for your art, for your dance, for anything that you do, for being the best nurse, for being the best doctor, for being the best engineer, for being the best human being. So I want you to achieve that which you have dreamt of. If you have dreamt it, go implement it immediately and go and transform yourself. That is the whole idea of when you get up in the morning and you tell yourself, I'm the best. That is the whole idea. Dream, implement, transform. You got to do this. You got to remember this, and you got to do this. Come on, I want to see you do this, and you are not going to stop at just one point. You have to understand that you have a whole lot of talent inside you. You need to go and dig out those talents from inside yourself and go and implement them. Go and dream about them, implement them. Because I'll tell you one thing, you are really the best, because there are people who actually achieve their dreams, they transform themselves only when they start implementing what they have dreamt of. You actually make your dream tangible when you start implementing it, and then you transform yourself and you become a person who is known, who is renowned, who is where people want to know you, they want to take your autograph and things like that. So all these things are going to happen if you only take the action. You must take the action. Don't wait for the perfect moment to sing your perfect song, to dance your perfect number, whatever. Just go do it, and then I'm with you all the time. So don't forget to watch my videos all the time, because I make them for you, my young friends, and for everybody else, whoever wants to be inspired. So subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, like I always keep saying, and like and share for the algorithm. And on that note, I'm going to say bye to all of you. Take care, wear your masks, maintain the distance, and of course stay at home if you have to. Wash your hands as much as possible, and take that steaming. That steam is very, very important for you, and have your vitamins and your medicines at the right time. Okay, all right, I'll see you soon when I come back with another video. Bye for now, and again a virtual hug to all of you. I love all of you so much. Bye bye.